Hi, this is Jesse from MoTeC Canada. Today we're going to show you how to download log data and edit event details on your C-Series dash.
Now let's assume your dealer has already set up your display for logging, and now you want to be able to plug into your dash and download log data. The first thing you need to do is open Dash Manager, which can be downloaded from MoTeC's website, and you'll need to download the version that corresponds with the dash that you have. So in this case, we're using a C125, and we've downloaded C125 Dash Manager. Plug in your Ethernet cable to your dash and into your computer, power up the dash, and open up Dash Manager. You'll now see a Get Configuration button and a Get Log Data button. To download the log data, all you need to do is press Get Log Data, and if your dash is connected, it will download the log data. It'll ask you if you want to clear it. You'll press yes. If you want to erase what's on the dash, usually you'll press yes. And then you'll enter in all of the details for that log file. Now it's really important that you want to take good notes here so that when you go through your log data in the future, you'll know exactly what you're looking at. The event name is generally something that you'll want to set for the weekend and not change. The session will generally be something like practice, qualifying race, or practice, time trial, and so on. In the short comment, you'll want to write something that'll be very obvious for you when you're scanning through all the log files, since that will be visible. The longer comment is information you'll want to enter, such as car setup information, how the vehicle felt, any problems you might have had, or any things to look for in the log data, as this will be information that will be tied to the log forever and you can reference at any time. So once you've entered in all of your information, you can set which driver was driving the car, and you can edit vehicle details if you need to add more specific vehicle information in this menu box here. Once you've done all of that, you can press OK, and that's it. You've now got your log data from your MoTeC dash and can open it in i2 Standard or i2 Pro.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully we helped you get up and running with your MoTeC hardware. Please let us know what cool stuff you're doing with your MoTeC products on social media at MoTeC Global, MoTeC USA, and MoTeC Can.